If you're considering becoming a Norwex consultant, you're probably wondering what comes in the starter kit. It's going to arrive in this beautiful box, and you just pay $10 shipping up front. And in the kit is my favorite, the Norwex Mop System. All right, so you get the handle, the base, the dry mop pad, and the wet mop pad. And of course, if you have the Norwex mop, you for sure want the rubber brush, which is also in the kit, to clean the mop pads between uses, so you don't need to launder them quite as often. Also in the kit, you're going to get the EnviroCloth. This is your everything cloth. Its best friend, the window cloth, and the dusting mitt. By the way, the rubber brush works awesome on the dusting mitt too. You'll also get a mini size of the Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent and the Norwex cleaning paste. Also in the kit is a 3-pack body pack, all right? So this is your body and face cloths. Love these with just water to cleanse my face and body. They're fabulous. You're going to be getting catalogs, a bag to carry your items in, some business materials to get you started, and some cue cards. So whether you're doing in-home parties or online parties, these cards will help you know how to explain the products. Now, Norwex does the coolest thing. When you have just $1,000 in sales in your first 30 days, you earn this kit completely free. Did you hear me? Right. And if you need a little bit more time than the 30 days, Norwex also allows you to have $2,000 in sales in your first 90 days. So should you need a little more time, that's great. And then you earn the kit for free. Now, if you don't meet one of those goals, then you pay $200 for the kit, which it's obviously worth more than that. Now, if you've been working with a consultant, I'm sure they're taking awesome care of you. If you are looking for someone to help you get started in your Norwex journey, I would be honored to be your sponsor and mentor and help you build your Norwex business and get these incredible products into your hands. So please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. I am excited to connect with you.